Hello children, an exciting morning to all. Hope all are safe in home. Today we're going to see the day 9 class of Unit 1. Yes, I hope all are ready with your needed things. If you are ready, let's get started our today's class. In our last class, in our phonics session, we saw the two new sounds. What are the sound patterns that we have learned in our last class? Yes, AW, and then AU, Is it children? Yes. Today we're going to read the words for these two sound patterns. By using the blending technique, we're going to read these two sound patterns of words. See the first word. Yes. We know the sounds, every letter should have sounds, right? But I don't know how to read this word. For this, we have to breaking these words into beginning, middle, and then end. Yes. நமக்கு வேர்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அதாவது எவ்ரி லெட்டர்ஸ்க்கும் சவுண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குங்கிறது தெரியும். இஸ் இட் சில்ட்ரன்? எஸ். ஆனால் நமக்கு இந்த வேர்டை எப்படி படிக்கணும்னு நமக்கு தெரியாது, கரெக்டாக? ஸோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா பிளெண்டிங் டெக்னிக்கை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். we already knew about that blending technique. blending technique என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? ஃபஸ்ட்டு பிகினிங் சவுண்ட் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுவோம், அதுக்கப்புறம் மிடில் சவுண்ட் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுவோம், ஃபைனலாக என் சவுண்டை ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுவோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் 3 சவுண்ட்ஸையும் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? ஜாயின் பண்ணி கொஞ்சம் லிட்டில் ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக அந்த வேர்டை ரீட் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா நமக்கு அந்த வேர்டை ஃபைனலாக ரீட் பண்ணிடுவோம், கரெக்டாக? Yes, by this technique we are going to read this word. The beginning sound of this word is sh. Middle sound of this word is a. And then N sound of this word is l. Sh, a, l. Sh, a, l. Shawl. Shawl. Let us see the next word. Yes, in this word, I have to find the beginning sound. The beginning sound of this word is t. And middle sound of this word is a. End sound of this word is nt. T, a, nt. T, a, nt. Taunt. Taunt. Hope children, you understood how to read these words by blending technique. Now we are going to revise the words from our SR book for the two new sound patterns. Look at this children. Yes, let us read these words by blending technique for these two digraphs. AW a digraph, AU a digraph. Look at this first word. The beginning sound D. Yes, what is the beginning sound of this word? D. R, a. D, R, a. Draw. Draw. J, a. Jaw. J, a. Jaw. See the next one. Kr. The beginning sound is kr. A, l. Kr, a, l. Crawl. Crawl. Cl, a. Cl, a. Claw. Like this, you have to read these words by using the blending technique. D, a, n. D, a, n. Dawn. L, a, n. L, a, n. Lawn. R, a. Ra. St, st. R, a. St, r, a. Straw. Sh, a, l. Shawl. P, pa. Let us see the next verse for the next digraph. AU digraph a. AU a. August. 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 Vault. 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 Launch. 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 Sauce. Paul. Fault. Fault. Hunt. Hunt. Taunt. Mall. Hall. Like this, try to read all those words for these two digraphs by using blending technique as your own. நீங்களே தான் blending technique யூஸ் பண்ணி again இந்த words எல்லாம் practice பண்ணி சொல்லி பார்க்குறீங்க. ஓகேவா? Let us move on to the whole words part. Today we are going to see 4 new whole words. What word is this? Yes, always. Repeat again. Always. I was always the goalkeeper. Always. See the next word. Meet. Meet. Meetna சந்திக்கிறது. எஸ் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் மீட் பண்ண போனீங்கன்னா சொல்லுவீங்க இல்லையா, ஐ வாண்ட் டு மீட் மை ஃப்ரெண்ட் அப்படிம்பீங்க இல்லையா. மீட் மீன்ஸ் சந்திக்கிறது. மீட். He called me to meet him. He called me to meet him. He was always the goalkeeper in football. Now the next sentence for we meet. I went to meet him. I went to meet him. See the next word. Him. What word is this? Him. He called me to meet him. I met on the football ground. Who? Him. I met him on the football ground. See the next word. Try. What word is this? Try. Let us try it once. Try. Try na? Yes, நம்ம முயற்சி செய்கிறது. Try. I want to try playing cricket. Try. Cuties, what are the new whole words that we have learned today? Always. Say again. Always. Meet. Meet. Him. Him. Try. Try. These are the whole words that we see in our today's class. Let us move on to reading and listening comprehension. In this part, we are going to read one story. The story. The title of the story is Dhoni, the goalkeeper. Dhoni, the goalkeeper is the title of this story. Compiled by Shakshi Bhatia. Illustrator Kikdi Penha. Children, I will read the story. You have to finger read along with me. Yes, just follow me and then. I loved playing football. I was always the goalkeeper. My school's cricket team was looking for a wicket keeper. Yes. What was the story about, ma? Yes, the story is about Dhoni. In this story, we're going to see about the Dhoni, the goalkeeper. Yes. Basically, Dhoni is a goalkeeper, but their school team is looking for a wicket keeper. Let us see what happens next. One day, my teacher saw me playing football. He is a wonderful goalkeeper. He thought. He called me to meet him. Will you play for the school cricket team? He asked. No, sir. I like to play football. I replied. The teacher asked me to go to the ground. Yes, my teacher asked me to play football. Let us try it once, he told me. I reached the ground. Go behind the wickets, the teacher said. Did you know? Dhoni played his debut Ranji Trophy match when he was just 19 years old. When Dhoni was 19 years old, he played the Ranji Trophy match. And then he win the game. I was always the goalkeeper in football. I know how to play. I found it easier. The small cricket ball was lighter than a football. Everyone said I was an excellent wicket keeper. That day, I joined the school cricket team. Years later, I became a successful cricketer. Successful means, yes, who gets the first prize or who get the medals. Yes, like this they are successful. Look at this worksheet, ma. You have to, this is worksheet 17, you have to answer these 3 questions. You just copy the questions in your notebook and then with the help of the story, you can refer the story, Dhoni the goalkeeper, to answer the questions. You have to answer the questions as your own. Yourself, you have to answer them. Yes, ஸ்டோரியை படித்து பாருங்கள். அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த கொஷின்ஸுக்கு உண்டான ஆன்சரை நீங்களே தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சி எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? எஸ். In this question, A, B, C questions are given. The next page, C, D, E, F questions are given. You just copy the questions in your Elga notebook and then try to answer the question yourself. Let us move on to the grammar part. In our grammar part, we already learnt about the subject-verb agreement. Yes, in this sentence, have you identified the subject? Yes, he, she, Ram, Rahul. These are the subject in this sentence. Is the subjects are singular or plural? Yes, the subjects are singular. He, she, Ram, Rahul are, yes, a singular subject. Tells about only one person. Singular means only one person. Plural means more than one person. Yes, look at the helping verb. The helping verb in the sentences are is, right? He is, she is, Ram is, Rahul is. Is is the helping verb in these sentences. Whenever the subject is singular, we use the helping verb is. When the subject is singular, we can use is the helping verb. Look at this. They playing. We dash reading. Ram and Raj dash walking. Rahul and Rita dash cooking. Yes. Look at the subjects given here. Is the subjects are singular or plural? Very good. The subjects are in plural. When the subject is plural, we use the helping verb are. When the subject is singular, we use the helping verb is. When the subject is plural, we use the helping verb are. Repeat again. When the subject is plural, we use the helping verb are. See this singular subject, helping verb is. When it is plural subject, helping verb are. We are playing because we is the plural subject. Both of you. Both of you means more than one person. So it is plural subject. Both of you are reading. If the subject is plural, we have to add are, the helping verb. He is playing, sleeping. Yes, he is the singular subject. So we add is. Whenever the subject is singular, we use the helping verb is. Whenever the subject is plural, we use the helping verb are. See this, children. You have to complete this small exercise in your notebook. Take your Elga notebook and then have to write this exercise and then have to answer the questions. Complete the sentence using is or are. Is or are. Is இல்லைனா are போட்டு நீங்கள் இதை complete பண்ணணும். Yes, we already learnt about is and then are. When the subject is singular, we add is. When the subject is plural, we add the helping verb are. Like this, you have to answer the questions as your own. Children, in our writing and speaking expression part, we already learnt how to sequence the events of a story. With this three-part beginning, middle, end, we have to sequence the events in a story. Beginning means who are the characters, what is the setting. Middle means what happens to the character. End, what happened at the end. How did the characters or events change. These are the three parts how to sequence the events. With the help of this, we have to do a worksheet 14. Now today we are going to draft your story. Yes, you have to draft your story as your own. I want you all to use the details from the table 14 and draft your sentence with the help of the sentence starters. Look at this. These are the sentence starters. You can use these sentence starters to draft your details from the worksheet 14. Okay, children, you just revise all those things that we have learnt in our today's session. All of you take care, ma. I will send the worksheets and also worksheet questions and also answers in our homework group. All of you take care. Thank you. Bye.